Is a constitutional reform good for Zimbabwe, or is it just a power grab by the governing ZANUPF party? It's a subject that's divided Zimbabweans here and is playing out at the Constitutional Court. Some war veterans, not all of them, but some of them, are challenging plans by the governing ZANUPF party to keep the president in office 2 more years. President Emmerson Mnangagwa's second and final term is due to end in 2028. The proposed constitutional changes would allow Parliament, not voters, to elect the president and extend the term of office from 5 to 7 years.
We are not happy about that. How can we assent to that unless if we were made? We did not fight for that. That's a nullity, and we are not going to accept that at all.
War veterans fought an armed struggle against British colonial rule in the 1970s. They also led violent farm invasions more than 20 years ago, chasing mostly white farmers off the land. The vets helped to keep former President Robert Mugabe in office until 2017, when Mnangagwa took power after a military intervention. There are reports of divisions in ZANUPF, but the official party line is that it favors changing parts of the constitution.
We've noted that within a 5-year cycle, we will not be able to have achieved most of the targets that we need. A 7-year cycle gives us more stability and more time to ensure that all our economic programs are fully met. So we are extending the presidential election cycle, the parliamentary election cycle, and the local government cycle.
Recent public hearings pitted ZANUPF and opposition supporters against each other. Some in the opposition don't want Parliament to debate the bill until all legal options have been exhausted.
In a proper constitutional democracy, they must not convene. They must wait. What are they rushing for? I mean, 2030 is far away from today, and we have a court that is weighing these arguments. And all the arguments which were before the court were about the validity of the bill, whether the bill must proceed.
The 2013 Constitution restricts the president to a maximum of 2 terms and states any move to extend term limits would need to be endorsed by voters in a referendum. It also states that a sitting president cannot benefit from any extension unless voters give their approval in a second referendum. Haru, Mutasa, Jazeera, Harare.